Lisa has 24 pints of juice. If she pours 1/2 of a pint of juice into each cup, how many cups will she use? So I have to think about what I'm going to do here. So if she only pours 1/2 of a pint of juice into each cup, how many cups is she going to use? And eventually this is going to get bigger. So this is actually division. 24 pints. I'm actually going to take off that little part right there. Just do 24. And we're going to be dividing it into 1/2 pint into each cup. So I'm going to do my keep, change, flip. I'm going to make my dividend a fraction by putting a denominator of 1. I'm going to go ahead and change the division to multiplication, and then I'm going to flip over the second fraction. So now I have 24 times 2, which is 48 over 1. I have 48 cups is how many she's going to use. And that does make sense. If she has 24 pints of juice and she wants to know how many 1/2 pints are in there, that's going to be 48.